going to discuss the importance of using Hot List in a Cortez Math lab. Here we can see a list of students that are in my Miss Weymouth German's class, period 1. Here we can see that their teacher and period is stored in this string underneath email address. This teacher and period allows me to easily pull reports for this particular class, and I will show you how this works. If we go to the Cortez Math Lab main website, we can see a data reporting block over here on the right. These are all reports that we use to extract certain pieces of data. Today we're going to do Hot List. First, it asks for our teacher and period, so we type in Miss Weymouth German, period 1 as our example. The first thing we see is this column on the left called No Progress. This shows a list of students who have not completed a lesson in the past 3 days. Which is a pretty decent amount here. We have about 7 or 8. In the middle column, we have lesson grouping. This column groups these students based on what test they are stuck on. Here we can see these 5 students are all stuck on number operations test. The very right column, No Grouping, lists students who can't be grouped with other students because they're the only ones stuck on that particular lesson. Usually we want to pull Hot List before a class starts so that we have a good attack plan on how to get these kids caught up. So once the kids come in, I'm going to give a copy of this Hot List to our teacher so that we can group these particular students on so that they can get past this number operations test. To easily do that, what I would do is I would click on Download Hot List. Then I can pull it out. Copy it over. And here we go. Here's our Excel sheet, which looks exactly like it did on the web page. I can easily email this to my teacher before class starts so that she will have her own copy. Now we both have the same idea of what students are a little bit behind or are stuck on a lesson. It's all about working smart, not hard. So when these 5 students come in, we're going to put them around the desk and have them try to get them to understand this number operations concept. After we feel like they're comfortable to work on their own, we'll send them off so they can try taking the test again and hopefully this time pass. These other students, since they can't be grouped, we're just going to be doing one-on-one instruction with them. Maybe go over a couple of questions or the study guide if they need a little bit additional help. This is something that we should do every day before class. The more that we keep up with it, hopefully that this list will be smaller and smaller.